Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohammad Badruddin, and today this session is going for the question and answers only. But before going to that, there is a warning. This video and its content are only for educational purpose, and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. Now let's go to the questions. What we got from the lab number 2. So the first question was how to download and install Burp Suite, and is it only for Linux OS? So I want to tell you guys that this is not only for Linux OS. You can download and install it even on your Windows PC, right? And to download this, you just go to the Google and you can make download Burp Suite. Go to that site, the first link, and go to the download. Right here, you can download two versions, one for professional and second one is community edition. So here, professional and community edition both, but the professional one you have to pay $350, I think, approximately, or maybe more than that. But right now, for testings and for practice, you just need community edition to be familiar with Burp Suite and how it works. Although the lab from Web Security Academy, many labs are there which needs uh, professional edition, but I will tell you how you can go with that. So the platform you have to choose from here. So it also works for Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. So choose anyone what you want and go to the download. It will give you one setup file. You can easily execute that setup file as administrator and next, 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 and you are ready to go. Fine. So this was your first question. Let's go for the second one. How to fix the SSL and TLS connection errors in Burp Suite. Uh, you might have noticed one thing. When we put the proxy settings in our browser and we connect our browser to the Burp Suite proxy, at that time whenever we go to access any HTTPS site or any site that requires SSL certificate, so we got an error. I want to show you from here. Let's go to the preferences, network, and put the proxy. Okay, go to the Burp Suite, proxy tab, and intercept is on. Okay, now if I want to access any site like google.com, so this is the warning or error you have. HTTP strict transport security. Basically this error came because of the certificate authority, because we don't have the certificate. So to avoid this error, you can do one thing. You can download the Burp Suite certificate and put it into your browser, for your browser. Okay, so for that you go to the uh, we already, while we connected with the Burp Suite, go to the HTTP and just put Burp Suite. Okay, you will come to that page, click to the CA certificate, come here, save this file. Okay, so open the folder. This is the certificate we downloaded from the Burp Suite. Now go to the browser, come here into the settings, go to the preferences, and you need to go to the privacy and settings, security, and go down, down, down. Oh, sorry, not here. Here. At last, you will find a section for certificates. So view certificate and import that certificate. Click here and trust this CA for identify the website. We don't need to identify the email users, right? Okay, okay, fine. Now let's go and try to access this again, and let's see whether the uh, error came or not. Okay, I don't want that one. Fine. So we can now access any HTTPS website without any error. Let's go to the any website like bing.com or DuckDuckGo. Fine. See, this site is HTTPS and we do not get any warning this time. Okay. The third question was, isn't that irritating? We have to change proxy settings every time from the browser settings. So, right, I can understand. You have every time you have to go to the preferences or to your browser setting, whatever browser you are using, then go to the network settings and go here and then change your proxy settings. So instead of doing that, we can do one more thing. Okay, there is a add-on that is Foxy Proxy. Go to that. Okay, add to Firefox. Add. Okay, okay, fine. Now what you need to do, just close this, no need for this. This is the Foxy Proxy icon. Just click on it and go to the options. Right here, you need to add the title is Burp Suite. Okay, of course, HTTP proxy and the IP for your proxy. So my proxy is on my local host and the port I am using is 8080. Also, I want to mention one thing that you don't need to just use 8080 if there is any service in your system which is running on 8080 port. So you can change this port here. Go to the Burp Suite, go to the proxy tab. In the option tab, come here and you can edit whatever port number you want to give here. That will work on that, right? Because if you guys are developer, you might have run WAMP server, XAMPP server, or Apache, right? So these servers maybe use 8080 port, but here I'm not using any web server right now, web server services. So port number 8080 and just save this, right? Okay. So now what you can do, just go to the burp and go to the intercept, and I want to capture the intercept. Now you don't need to go to the proxy settings every time. You just come here and, sorry, make this off now. Uh, so I was there. Okay. Click the Foxy Proxy icon, and if you want to turn off the proxy settings, you just need to click that one. And if you want to set your browser with the proxy settings, just click on the Burp Suite. Now you are ready to go. So now if you make any request, that request will go through the proxy. I also want to check once if my browser already set to proxy or not. Network settings, go here. Okay, so no proxy. I don't want to use these settings, right? So now if I go anywhere like DuckDuckGo or somewhere else, see, I can capture the request, forward, and if we close this and we again make enter, so our request do not go to the Burp Suite, right? So this is the questions I got from you guys from lab number 2. Even if you have more queries or any other queries related to the topics I am covering, please feel free to ask, put your queries in the comments and let me resolve those queries. And thank you very much for watching my videos and supporting me. Please watch the full video so that you can understand everything. And if you like the content, like and subscribe and share. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.